Einstein is a well-known scientist and extraordinary genius personality known by almost all of us all over the world due to his great inventions and contribution towards science. He quoted that success is a failure in progress and someone who has never failed cannot truly be a successful person. Albert Einstein grew up in a middle-class family. When he was born, his family was scared that something was wrong with him. He had very large and misshapen head, but fortunately within the first few weeks the shape of his head became normal, but their worries didn't stop them. When he was very young, his parents thought he might be intellectually disabled because he was very slow to learn to talk and did not know how to speak until he was 4 years old. At that time, he often formed full sentences in his thoughts but did not speak. He used to practice the sentences in his head or whisper them softly under his breath until he got them right and then say them aloud. Many people believed Einstein would never succeed at anything. At school, Einstein was a good student. Most of his grades were high and he was nearly the top of the class, but mainly because of math and science. So his grades depended mostly on his interest in his subjects. When Einstein was 10 years old, he started educating himself. By the age of 12, Einstein taught himself Euclidean geometry, and by the age of 15, he mastered calculus. He dropped out of a school at age 15 and left Germany. He applied to a Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, but believed it or not, he failed the entrance exam. Albert Einstein failed an exam. He excelled in math and physics part, but his knowledge on other subjects was not that good. So he failed the exam. So he had to take it second time, and then he was admitted. After finally graduating, he couldn't get a job in academia for almost a decade. But young Einstein needed money, so he got a job as a clerk in a patent office. He developed his most important theories while working on his boring job. He developed the theory of relativity and the world's most famous equation E equal to mc square. Einstein was nominated for a Nobel Prize but did not receive it until 11 years later. I have no special talent. I am just passionately curious. So follow your curiosity.